Hello there, Warren County, Kentucky. Fall is in the air and in the real estate market. If you're looking for the latest in market data, I have it right here and I'm about to break it all down for you. But first, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Melissa Albert with the Living in Kentucky team brokered by eXp Realty. All right, now let's dive into those numbers. We have currently 624 active listings in the market, giving buyers a decent range of options. Meanwhile, 197 homes are pending, which is slightly down from last month. What's really interesting is we had 103 homes sold in the last 30 days, so it's clear the market's still active even as we enter into the fall season. One thing you'll want to keep an eye on is the average days on market, which has increased slightly to 80 days. So if you're thinking about selling, it might take a bit longer to find the right buyer compared to earlier in the year. However, the list to sales price ratio is holding strong at 97.62%, meaning homes are selling very close to their listing prices. Now, let's talk about home prices. The average list price of homes sold was $358,000, and the average sale price was just slightly lower at $349,000. And the median sale price came in at $310,000, which gives us a clear picture that homes in the mid-range price point are moving quickly. This balance shows that Warren County remains a desirable market for both buyers and sellers, and with prices holding steady, it's a great time to make your move. So, what does all this mean for you? Well, if you're a buyer, you might find homes are staying on the market a little longer, which could allow you to negotiate for a better deal. And for sellers, while the market's still moving, it could take a bit longer to secure a buyer, but you can still expect to get very close to your asking price. And with those days on market being 80, what that means is if you want to sell your home in the new year, now is actually a time to get started to get your home ready to go to market. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, or just curious about the value of your home in today's market, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to help guide you through the process and provide you a free market analysis of your property. Be sure to hit subscribe for more real estate and lifestyle information in South Central Kentucky, and let's make your next move a winning one.